my first time. Everyone, my name is Edwin Flores Tamtan III. I am an emergency department nurse, and this is my humble beginning. I am a nurse for 12 years. I am one of the 10 mandate ambassadors of Queen's Health Systems, representing 10,000 employees in the island. This opportunity was introduced to me by my upline, Bibilita. Bibilita, where are you? Say hi. That was 4 years ago. And finally, fast forward 2024, I finally decided to join the team and attended the FOS that was facilitated by Lily Chen at that time. Lily Chen, where are you? Thank you so much. I took the exam last week of February. I passed it. I completed my 5-5-30 fast track in the whole month of March. I went over the CFT program right away and eventually became a CFT by the end of April. I started doing the business on my own with the continuous guidance of Bibilita. I love you. Thank you so much. At that time, I haven't found my purpose yet. All I know is I am happy with what I'm doing because this is a whole new thing to me, pretty different from my being a nurse. I just keep on doing sales. And until one day in my work, I have a patient under my care, a parent of 4 in her late 50s. I came over to see her, introduced my name, started the line, sent her right away to CT scan. She got back, I gave her all the IV pain meds, so at least she would be more comfortable while waiting for all the results to get done. Results came back, blood workup shows focal abnormalities. However, CT scan is unremarkable. I went over to see the doctor. I asked him, can we proceed to MRI? We sent the patient to MRI, and results came back. She has extensive malignancy affecting the surrounding organs in the entire abdominal cavity. So what does that mean in a regular person's perspective? The patient has an advanced cancer affecting liver and pancreas. We went over, told her the results. She is tearful, shocked, and almost didn't believe what was happening. That's the normal reaction of a normal person who essentially considers herself to be healthy, who just went to emergency room for nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. I asked her, do you have a life insurance? She said no. All she got is her medical insurance from her job. I came to find out she is the family's breadwinner. And she doesn't even have any much account to protect her against uncertainty. That's when I realized that I had a sense of purpose doing this business. I see this as an extension of my helping profession. We emergency department nurses we troubleshoot, we champion ourselves to help a lot of people. And now I am much happier because the purpose of being in the PFA has much clearer vision to me right now. As I came to emergency department seeing a bunch of patients finding critical illnesses. And it always reminds me the importance of financial preparedness and support, especially at life's most challenging moments. I believe in the product. I love this business. And because of that, I believe in myself that I can deliver this product to each of the households out there. I feel the sense of urgency that there should be a lot of people, millions of people, that we need our presence and try to have them getting protected with our powerful product. And today, I take pride to tell you that I am 9 months in the business and very much happy to win multiple JW challenges, winning personal bonus pools, won deferred compensation, what else, prime time, promoted myself from becoming SA to become CFD, then became PFD, then became QFD. $1,000 away from hitting my first diamond. Again, I promise you, I can make it a couple of weeks. And also won the company's Super Elite Trip. I still have a long way to go, and I still have a lot of things to learn. But this is me again. My name is Edwin. I am saving lives since 2013 and will keep on saving lives in a more powerful platform of PFA. And this is my story.